guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or hi if you know, my name is Abby, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a huge back to school clothing haul. Now this is all bought on like multiple trips to like Marshalls, Target, online shopping, and literally every single place. Like, I don't know, I've been doing a lot of shopping, kind of bad, but you know, it's really cute and I know I'm gonna wear it, and I need a new clothes for college because I'm a college girl now. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first store I'm going to start off with is Marshalls. Now I think Marshalls is one of the best places to go because they have discounted prices on like name brand things like American Eagle, Champion. I've seen Ivory Yellow stuff there. Like, you can get a lot of good stuff there for discounted prices, so I always recommend checking out Marshalls. So the first thing I actually got was this sweatshirt. I got this one yesterday. I've made 2 trips to Marshalls. I got this one yesterday, but basically it's just like a checkered print one with a bunch of different colors. My friend Victoria picked this out for me. She actually got it too, and she was like, Abby, you have to buy it, and I'm like, I guess I do. So all the Champion stuff was around $25, and I think that's a pretty good discount for Champion because sometimes it can get a little expensive. Next thing I got was another Champion sweatshirt from another trip back to Marshalls. So I got this yellow one. It kind of looks white, but it's like a light yellow, and it just has a Champion logo here. But yeah, I just have this yellow Champion sweatshirt, and I kind of want to get biker shorts to like pair underneath it, and I never thought I'd be saying that, but I really want biker shorts now. So yeah. So the next thing that I got was a couple of shirts from Marshalls. So we walked around like the men's t-shirt section and picked some out. This one is the first one. It is just a Care Bear t-shirt, just all black, kind of oversized, but I plan on tying it in a knot or even just wearing it oversized with a pair of sweats. Yeah, this one was around $8 actually, which is a pretty good price, and I'm gonna pair it with a bunch of different outfits, so I'm really excited for that. Then the next shirt I got is just a band t-shirt. So it is an AC/DC shirt, kind of like an acid wash tie-dye with the AC/DC logo. This one's in a medium, and I think this one was $10, and originally it was like $15. But I'm gonna wear it with skirts, jeans, everything, sweats. Super cute and comfortable, and it's really cozy as well because it's kind of oversized on me. Then next thing I got was just 2 plain basic tops. They have a pretty good basic section if you want to like find black and white crop tops. So I got this white one, just a white crop top, really tight. I got an extra small so it would fit nice and snug on me, and I'm pretty sure these are around $5 each. So yeah, good price. They're super cute, and it's actually really soft, and these aren't see-through. I thought it was going to be, but it actually isn't. So I think these are pretty good quality for how much they were priced at. And then I also got a similar top to that in black, not the same brand, but it's basically the same style, and it was around the same price, and I also got an extra small. Super cute. I wore it a couple days ago. So the next store I'm going to talk about is Nasty Gal. I'm not sure if you guys watched my unboxing video, but I did unbox these outfits in that video, but I thought I would just throw them in here just to show you all the clothes I bought. But Nasty Gal is just like an online website. I actually like them, and they have pretty good affordable pricing, so go check them out. Not sponsored, wish it was, but it's not. So first thing I got is just a black t-shirt that just has this like EXO love pattern. Super cute. And yeah, just a black t-shirt. I paired it with a maxi skirt that I have from Nasty Gal as well. So yeah, that's the first shirt I got. Then the next shirt is just a plain white pocket tee. I don't really have any shirts like this for some reason. I don't know why. But this is another shirt that I'm just gonna go pair with the maxi skirts. It's super cute on. Well, it's just a plain white shirt. It's a good size, good fit, and I really like it. And I like how the detailing on the end is like, looks like it's a raw hem, yet it's stitched, so it like won't tear, I guess. But super cute, and I plan on wearing it with so many skirts. And the next thing I got was just 2 midi skirts. So the first one I got was a long midi skirt, and it just has this like cheetah pattern on it. I really like it, and I wore it in this picture that I have the black top in it as well. And it's super cute. I loved the way I paired it with the docs and everything. Then the next midi skirt I got, which I've actually posted on Instagram in this as well, but it is just this print. I'm really not leopard print. I don't really know what this is, but it is just this leopard print skirt. I'll go with leopard. But then there's a slit in the front, and this one is super cute as well. This one actually fits me better than the other one, and they're the same size. So interesting how sizing works sometimes, but I really recommend checking out Nasty Gal for their skirts because they had a pretty wide selection and a wide range of sizes for a pretty cheap price. I was looking at mini skirts on some other websites, and they were just so expensive, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna pass on that. So the next store that I went to was Macy's. Now Macy's is having a huge sale. If you go into the mall and you go into their sale section, my sale section was huge, and there were so many different things, and everything was super cheap. So I'm all about saving my money, so being affordable and like never buying anything full price. Like, that's what I think about. Like, I don't want to pay full price for anything, but I got a bunch of really cute stuff. So the first thing I got was this yellow Grateful Dead crop top, but because it is an extra large, large. It is a little big on me, but I got this shirt I think for $5. I think it was literally only $5. That's insane to me, but it was so cheap and really cute, and I love it. So I got this pair of 501 straight leg Levi's in black. So they're skinny jeans, but I thought they were gonna be mom jeans, but I still bought them, and these are only $10. Isn't that crazy? $10 for a pair of Levi's. Even if you go thrifting, you can't find a pair of Levi's for that price. So I recommend checking out your Macy's sale section for pants like this. So next thing for Macy's is actually a pair of shoes. So I've actually worn them a lot, but it's just this pair of platform Guess shoes with this really pretty floral pattern. And I got these shoes for $10 as well. Super cheap, like I said. And they were having a big sale section with the shoes as well. These are just the cutest pair that I found, and I really like them. So this part of the haul is kind of like different little places that I went to that I don't really have multiple pieces from, so I thought I would just pair them into one miscellaneous section, but I obviously will tell you where everything is from. So first thing I'm going to start off with is just a Oregon hoodie. I got a coupon through University of Oregon for $10 off, and this sweatshirt was on sale for $10, so I just had to pay, and it was free shipping, so I just had to pay for the tag. So it was pretty cheap. That's the reason why I got it. Like, if you can see, I have a lot of sweatshirts, and I have way more in the closet. I don't even have enough hangers for all the sweatshirts I have, but you know what? I wear them all the time. I literally wear them all around the house and everything, so it's a good purchase to get. Then the next thing I got was from Love & Honey, which is a boutique here on Long Island. If you live on Long Island, you should go check it out. But I got this really cute baby doll dress. I posted an Instagram photo in this. I really like this dress. I'll give you the whole backstory behind this dress. So I was in there with my friend the day before, and she was shopping around and buying stuff, but I wasn't really like in the mood to buy anything, so I just saw this dress and I was like, oh, that's super cute. And I was like, you know what, I don't really want to buy it, so I'm not gonna buy it. And then I went home that day, and all I could think about was this damn dress, like how I would style it, what I would wear with. It's so versatile, and I could wear it with like a jean jacket, I could wear it with my docs, I could wear it with the floral shoes. And I was just like, okay, I have to go buy it. So we went back to the store the next day, and I got the dress. Like I said, I did post an Instagram about it, so you can go check that out. I'll link my Insta in the description box below. Give me a follow, because yeah. So that is that dress from Love & Honey. Then the next thing I got was a dress from Target. So I've been really into the midi skirts and the slip dresses. So I really wanted to get a slip dress. So I found this one at Target online. It's actually my Pinterest board, so I thought I would buy it. So it's just this leopard, I don't know my animals, is this print, and it's like a silky fabric, and it has like a little ruffly detail on the bottom. I wore this to my friend's birthday dinner with a pair of docs and a black shirt paired underneath it. Then the next thing I got was from Levi's. So I'm on couponing TikTok, so every time this girl posts about deals and sales, I just go check it out. But normally I don't buy anything, but I really wanted this pair of Levi's. So this is the pair of Levi's wedgie fit. They're kind of jaggy because I wear them all the time, but this has a one rip kind of deal, and I cuff them at the bottom because they're a little bit too short on me, but this was the only size they had. It was their warehouse sale, so it was like 70% off, and then also you can add multiple coupons, so you could stack, and I stacked a Uni Days coupon on top for like 15% off maybe. So it ends up getting down to like $20 to $30. I don't really remember the exact price, but they were a good deal for originally being a $98 pair of jeans. So the next thing is just two more pairs of shoes from different brands and different companies. So the first pair is from Bernardo. I think it's a designer shoe company, not too positive, but I really think the rain boots are super cute. So I got this pair of rain boots for Oregon because if you didn't know, University of Oregon, it rains all the time there. So I was like, I'm gonna get a pair of rain boots. These were on sale. They're originally like $180 and I got them for $85, I think. I don't remember exactly the price, but they're super cute. They are just the rain boot, and they have a little lace up in the front, and they're just kind of easy to get on, easy to get off. And last but not least, my new baby shoes that I will be wearing all the time. I literally love them, obsessed with them, but I ended up getting the Doc Marten Jadens. So these are a $180 pair of shoes. That is so expensive, like literally so expensive. It doesn't need to be that expensive. But my thought process was like, okay, my foot doesn't grow at all, and these are supposed to last you a really long time. So I'm planning on, I have to maintain them, keeping them nice and clean and protect them. I've worn them for about a week and I haven't had any issues breaking them in. I know people have said they've had issues with it, but for some reason I don't think I did. I feel like the sizing was a little too big for my foot to have issues, but I will be posting a video all about the Doc Martens. I actually started filming it, I just have to finish it. Yeah, that is the last thing I got. Oh, I love them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. I will link it down below like always. And comment down below some video ideas you guys want to see next. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Peace out, Girl Scouts.